Alright guys, we're in the middle of nowhere. We got a little bit of water and we got a big spill. What the hell did you do when your car overheats? And this is the reason, guys. I've been telling you guys for a long time. Overheating problem right here, solved by me. Alright? And we got our friend right here. He got that big truck. Look at that. Uh-oh. Alright, today I'm going to tell you guys how to get home safely.
Oye, no, pero tú tienes que quitar ese, espera. Tienes que quitar el cartón.
No cursing, I'm recording, alright? It's going to go on YouTube. Huh? No cursing.
Oh, no, me cabe a mí, que me caliento.
Why? I don't speak Spanish.
Don't record me because
Not record, no, only the car.
Okay.
Oh my God, you went inside.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah. That little piece, he said, oh my God, what do I do?
It's not gonna affect
No,
nothing.
it's gonna sit there. Fill that up too.
No, tú yo no mejor ahí, Fabio.
Yo, pero me lo puedes llenar 2 veces.
Sí, pero sí, voy a pagar.
I don't know what they're saying, but I know they're talking something about a car overheating.
Mala mía, disculpa.
No, tranquilo, papi, no, estamos para ayudar, papi.
I think they're cursing me out.
Sí, no, we're not cursing. Sino que estamos
Cursing me out, because I don't speak Spanish. Agua.
Ahora sí.
Alright, there you go. Thank you, man.
Another one.
We're gonna fill this up just to make it home. Drive slowly, safely. It's still gonna overflow and leak because this guy is not gonna hold the pressure, alright?
Why you gonna stop? Why you gonna stop in the outer part?
No, we was over here. We was doing videos with this, and he let the car run and then started smoking, and we ran this way. There you go, guys. That's what you're gonna do.
You think gonna be enough?
You get stuck on the highway.
¿Tú quieres más, papi?
Sí, déjame ver si puedo.
That's it.
Ya, échame un poquito aquí por si acaso llegar a la casa.
He said poquito, a little bit more. Just in case. He's on the highway. Alright, guys. You see that? It's bubbling. It's still heated inside. The thermostat is opening. It's bubbling.
Gracias, hermano, te lo agradezco.
Alright, it's not going to hold the pressure. It's probably going to shoot back out, but he'll make it home little by little. He'll stop halfway. Alright, this is because the block is too hot. Alright, that's it.